saw a colorful painting depicting a child lactating to his mother, as we all know that the nature of human and all mammals. To sustain life and survival to be the summary plan of a mother, I see this not only a natural phenomenon but beauty of God's creation that we the breast of mother can sustain life that can be a new generation for human race and the full humanity.
This artwork is expressive and visually captivating representation of a mother and child, combining an emotional warmth with artistic energy. The contrast between the bold central figures and the abstract background creates a compelling visual narrative with the minor refinements through proportions, blending, and background balance. The painting could achieve even greater harmony and emotional dissonance.
This painting, A Mother and a Child, shows a powerful bond between mother and daughter, capturing the essence of love and care, ensuring the beauty of motherhood.
This art portrays the deep bond between the mother and the child, the mother's focus on her child, representing the warmth and care of the mother's love sparkling.
Painting like mother and child can represent the universal experience of nurturing and being nurtured. It shows the beauty of nature between the mother and her child. It really defines a close relationship and nurturing that this mother has for her baby. It represents a representational art because it shows in real life.
This painting captures the bond between the mother and the child. It shows how the mother loves and protects to her child, while the child conveys how they trust to her mother. This use warm color to depict the force to the theme of nurture, but more dynamic lighting that could enhance the emotional impact. This painting is heartfelt representation of a maternal love to their child.
The painting Embrace of Love is a poignant depiction of timeless bond between a mother and her child. At first glance, the artwork immediately draws the viewer into its warmth and intimate setting. The use of colors creates a serene atmosphere that evokes feelings of comfort. The central theme of the painting is the unwavering love and protection of a mother to her child. This is vividly captured through the gentle gesture of the mother's arm wrapped around the child, symbolizing warmth and safety. The child's trusting gaze up towards the mother adds depth to this narrative, showcasing the innocence and dependence inherent in such a relationship. The artist's trace of medium and technique plays a significant role in enhancing the emotional impact of the piece. The brush strokes are smooth and blended, contributing to the overall softness of the image. This technique effectively conveys the tender and nurturing nature of the mother and child bond. In terms of composition, the painting is well balanced, with the mother and child forming the focal point. The background is softly rendered, allowing the figures to stand out without overwhelming the viewer. This focus on the figures helps to